Hello and welcome back to MercMan Tips. Today we've got a 2011 C220 CDI with a 651 engine, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the starter motor. So once we've disconnected the battery, the first part we remove is this air pipe and this air filter box. So once we've removed the air filter box, the next part to remove is this aluminium bracket here. Once we've removed this bracket, the next part to remove is this vacuum diaphragm for the turbo. Once we've removed this vacuum diaphragm, now we need to go underneath the car. Now that we are underneath the car, the next part to remove is this exhaust DPF. Once we've removed the DPF, we remove this temperature sensor, and then we can see the starter motor here. We can start to remove the two bolts that hold the starter motor. One of them is here and the other one is further up. And once we've done that, we go back underneath the bonnet. Now that we are back underneath the bonnet, the next part to remove is this catalytic converter. Once we've loosened the catalytic converter, we need to remove this bracket for this catalytic converter to come out. So the next part will be this bracket here. So once we've got this bracket off, the catalytic converter should come out. And now we are nearly there. The next part is this shield for the starter motor. Once we have the bracket off, we can finally see the starter motor, and it is loose already as we've taken the bolts off when we was underneath the car. Now we remove the 10mm and the 13mm connections, and the starter motor should be ready to come out. Okay, now that we've got the wires disconnected, we can remove the starter motor. That's where it goes. Our new one from Mercedes is ready to go on. So let's fit the new starter motor on and get this engine running. Okay, so the job is finished, and let's go ahead and crank the engine. So that's the starter motor replaced on this 651 engine. As you can see, it's not the easiest of starter motors, so I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to MercMan Tips.